In this video, we're sharing 5 of the best sliding compound miter saws because they're more useful than other types. Regular miter saws cut only angles, and compound saws add bevel cuts. But sliding compound saws can also slide forward, so you can cut wider boards without moving them around. This makes them better for jobs like cutting trim, flooring, or framing. Sliding saws help you work faster and more accurately, especially if you handle different sizes of wood. We picked saws that work for lots of needs. Some are smaller and easier to move, while others have more power for tough jobs. Let's check out which one fits your projects best. At number 5, the DWT 12-inch sliding compound miter saw is a dependable option if you're working on general home improvement projects or starting to tackle more complex woodworking. It has a 15-amp motor that delivers enough power for most standard materials like baseboards, studs, or hardwood trim. The Dual-Bevel lets you tilt the blade both ways, which is useful if you're cutting crown molding or want to avoid flipping your boards around mid-project. It includes a laser guide to help line up cuts, though it's not as precise as higher-end systems. The sliding feature increases the cutting width, so it's capable of handling wider boards like 2K12s without making multiple passes. With built-in extension supports and a clamp system, it's stable enough for longer materials, though you may want to mount it on a dedicated stand for safety. This saw is best suited for homeowners or casual DIYers who need solid cutting capacity and versatility without spending a premium. At number 4, the skil 10-inch dual-bevel sliding compound miter saw stands out for being lightweight, precise, and easy to use. It's a smart choice for users who want something compact but capable, especially if you're short on space or working out of a small garage or shed. The motor runs at 4,800 RPM, so the cuts come out smooth, even on finish. Materials like trim or laminate. Instead of a laser, it uses an LED shadow line system that shows the exact width of the blade, making it easier to line up cuts in different lighting conditions. With a 2K12 capacity at 90 degrees and bevels to both sides, it handles most common cuts for home projects, from framing to shelving to small cabinetry. The design is simple, intuitive, and doesn't overwhelm new users with too many features. It's best for hobbyists or first-time buyers who want reliability and accuracy without investing in a professional-grade saw. At number 3, the Makita LS10119L is a high-precision 10-inch sliding compound miter saw designed for users who value accuracy in finish carpentry or custom woodwork. Its cutting capacity rivals some 12-inch saws, handling crown molding up to 6 to 5 at 8 inches nested, which is unusual for a saw this size. It's ideal for people who need pro-level results but prefer a more compact tool that's easier to transport and store. The sliding mechanism is smooth and stable, supported by a rail-forward design that reduces its overall footprint. Perfect if your workspace is tight or if you often set up against a wall. The direct drive motor adds cutting consistency over time, which is important for cabinetry and fine trim. It also includes a laser guide for improved precision and repeatability. This saw is for contractors, remodelers, or serious DIYers who regularly work with detailed cuts and want a dependable portable saw that doesn't compromise on accuracy. At number 2, the DeWalt DWS7U is built for people who cut frequently, deal with a range of materials, and need something that holds up under constant use. The 15-amp motor is tuned for high-load jobs and powers through dense hardwood, pressure-treated lumber, and engineered materials without stalling. It features a double bevel and a wide sliding range, making it capable of large crosscuts and compound angles without repositioning the material. What really sets it apart is the integrated cut-line positioning system, which projects the blade path without needing calibration, helping you make quick, confident cuts, even when switching between different materials. The tall fences allow for vertical cuts on large baseboards and nested crown molding, which saves setup time. Its dust collection system is also above average, keeping your workspace cleaner and reducing airborne particles. This is a tool for professionals, advanced woodworkers, or homeowners with larger ongoing renovation projects who want accuracy, power, and durability in one package. At number 1, the Bosch GCM12 SD earns the top spot for its smooth operation, robust build, and unmatched space efficiency. Unlike traditional rails that stick out the back, Bosch uses an axial glide system that keeps the saw compact without sacrificing slide distance. This makes it ideal for anyone working in tight shops or against walls. It also has a large horizontal cutting capacity and supports wide boards up to 14 inches at 90 degrees, making it suitable for framing, flooring, stair treads, and large trim work. The dual-bevel design includes clear, up-front controls that speed up adjustments, which is a major time saver when switching between different cuts. Its detents are solid and accurate, and the smooth glide feels more stable than rail-based systems, especially over time. While it's heavier than some saws, it's meant to stay on a bench or workstation, where stability and precision matter most. This saw is best for professionals, contractors, or serious woodworkers who want clean, reliable cuts and a setup that maximizes workspace without compromising capability. Thanks for sticking with me through this list. The Bosch GCM12 SD is a top choice if you need a powerful, precise miter saw that saves space without cutting corners on performance. Whether you're a serious DIYer or a pro, it's built to handle a wide range of projects with ease. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more gear reviews that help you make smart choices. Got questions or want to share your own experience? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you.